Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing, as you can probably tell from the title, another Halloween makeup tutorial. Sorry I look like crap, but anyway, it is Don't Judge a Book by its cover. So I really hope you enjoy this one, and instead of this yabbiting on, let's get to it. Put the setting powder on. So now I'm going to go on to the eyes, and I'm going to use this purple from the Glitter Junkie eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to do underneath as well. Like so. Then I'm going to use my highlighter, Mink Pink highlighter from Primark. This is an absolutely gorgeous colour. Oh, dropping everything. And I'm just going to do the corners. My eye, just to brighten it up. To give it that sparkle. Like so. I will be going back to the highlighter. So now we are going to move on to the setting powder. Blend that all in. And then we're going to move on to my Too Faced Papa Don't Preach bronze palette. And again, just slightly to give it that extra look. Like so. Now we're going to move on to the fun part, so I've just cut out 4 circles from a book. Could be any size that you want, and a glue stick. So I'm going to use this little spatula thing. And I'm just going to go around the circle with the scab blood. Like so, because you can always build it up. And then this one. Doesn't have to be neat, but to make sure it goes around. Like so. So I'll come back. So now I've done the scab blood, I'm going to move on to my mascara. like so. And then I'm going to go in with the highlighter again, just to brighten the edges up. And then the nose. And here. And then just above the eyebrow, give it that, underneath, sorry, underneath, that little like so. Then we're going to move on to the Jeffree Star lipstick. And then we're just going to go back in with the purple just to give it that more oomph to it. And then under the eyes, just to give it a bit more pop in. And then we're going to do the eyebrows. Just to make it stand out a bit more. Like so, and then we're going to go back in with some blood, and we are going to get just a tad like so, and just do like little drips. Down your face. And there you have it. It's don't judge a book by its cover. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this a big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you again next time, my butterflies. Bye.